All right, guys, today is Monday, June the 9th. We just left Sandy Springs, Brookhaven area, did the countertops for Mr. and Mrs. Jack O'Connor. Now we're out here in Suwanee. This is a new client. We're going to be doing a screen and recoat on her floors, 384 square feet of engineered floors. And then after this, we got an in-home consultation and also here in Suwanee. So let me flip this around and show you what we're going to be doing. All right, guys, so again, we're in Suwanee, Georgia. All right, this is my client, Miss Jan, and these are the floors. We're just going to be doing this area right here, this huge, nice size living room. This is an engineered floor. Got a little build up on it, not too much, but what we're going to do is knock that off, screen the floors, and then put a nice fresh coat of poly back on the floors. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, guys, just got the coating down. I didn't get that on footage because I was on the phone helping one of my students that does wood floors up in New York. So that's another thing I do too, guys. I also coach over 300 people throughout the United States and some in Canada, and I have a student up in Alaska, got some in Mexico, got a few in Europe. But anyway, I was just walking him through a job. But anyway, guys, we got the finish down. I'm gonna let that dry. All right, guys, look at the floors now. Oh, that looks so good. Oh yeah. All right. Got a nice satin finish on there. Miss Jan? Don't check it out.
All right.
Yeah, you can walk on it.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh man, it looks so much better.
Yes, ma'am. Not too shiny. That satin looks good. And when you get like more light in here, you know, it's always just a sheen level.
Now, the dog walks across this, is it gonna scratch it?
No, he's little. He's fine. He can walk on it today.
No, I've got
now,
to
if
be
you
when
have,
it comes visits.
no, when is he coming though?
Oh, it's going to be a little while.
Oh yeah, he'll be fine. Yeah, at least I keep him off for at least 2 days. But the little one, you know,
okay.
yeah. We did notice too though when we I think it looked like more like a you could bet the pet stain. Yeah, that pet stain. Is that what?
I've got to tell you what I did.
What?
I had some dye. I put on the reclining chair.
Uh-huh.
Bottle knocked over.
Oh.
Oh man, I put everything on that.
Oh
But
wow.
It
Yep.
looks good.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
All right, guys.
Yay.
Thank you, Miss Jan. All right, guys. See you in the next one.